For food with authentic Mexican flavor, a stop at Krave Tacos in Webster, Texas is a must. Come on in, let's take a look. When you're traveling through Texas, you're bound to get hungry. Join Joe as he eats his way through the Lone Star State. This is Texas Chronicles Pit Stop with Joe Perez.
We are at Krave Tacos in Webster, Texas, very close to NASA. So we serve traditional Mexican food from tacos to sopes, tostadas, tortas, enchiladas, chiles rellenos, like everything that you're craving from Mexico, we have it right here.
This family-owned restaurant serves dishes with authentic flavors of Mexico.
We're a small family-owned restaurant, so everything we do, it's like with love. All of our recipes it's made from scratch. We use the best ingredients available for us, and we make sure that every single sauce, every single meat, everything is seasoned perfectly and using like traditional flavors from Mexico.
From their homemade tortillas to their made-from-scratch sauces.
We make sure that it's very traditional, the flavor that you get in our tacos or in our sopes or tostadas. We also have like 9 different types of meats. So you can get trompo, you can get beef, you can get tripa, you can get barbacoa made out of the lengua of the cow. You can even get nopalitos. So if somebody doesn't eat meat, we still have an option for you.
So much care and time goes into every dish at Krave Tacos. Each enchilada is hand-rolled to order, then covered with their made-from-scratch sauces.
So birria tacos are one of our new items in our menu. We're very excited. And it's a mixture of beef and lamb, seasoned with, it has a lot of seasoning. So it's packed with so much flavor. It has a couple of different dry peppers. It also has cumin, bay leaves, garlic, onion, cinnamon. So everything goes in there to season with the meat, and it gets pressure cooked. The tortillas, they get dipped in this consommé from the meat that was cooked, and then they get in the grill. So it gets crispy, so even the tortilla has that flavor of the birria. It's so delicious. And then you can get it without cheese or with cheese. I prefer it with cheese because then it gets all melted inside with the meat. And then you also get like a cup of the consommé, which is, again, is the liquid of the meat when it was cooked. So then you dip it in the consommé, and then you get that bite. So you get all the flavor in there, and it's just delicious, delicious.
The portions are huge and the prices are affordable, along with their fantastic service. Try one of their different types of tortas. They are fantastic and large enough to feed 2. The street tacos are killer. If you're looking for a restaurant with authentic Mexican flavors, a stop at Krave Tacos is a must.